Today in this video, I will guide you on how to change your name in your Gmail account on mobile. If you are doing this on your laptop, then you can follow the same step too. If you find this video useful, please do like and subscribe. Let's get started. The first step is to open your Gmail app. Then, click on your Gmail profile icon on top right side corner. After that, click on the Google account button below. Now, your account settings are opened. Next, go to the second option, Personal Info. Here, you can change your name, profile picture, date of birth, and gender. Before changing the name, let's first change the profile picture. It looks boring. To add a new profile picture, click on the Add Profile Picture. Now, see here you have many options for profile pictures in different categories. You can choose any picture you like. If you want to add your photo, you can also do so by clicking on the device photo. But now I am going to choose photos from this category. After selecting the photo, you can now customize it as per your choice. After all, click on Save as Profile Picture and wait for 5 to 10 seconds for it to update. Hey, see, my profile picture is updated now. Go back to your Personal Info tab and finally, I am going to change my Gmail account name. Now click on the Name section and then click again on the right side arrow. Now you will be directed to your Google account, where you can change your name by simply erasing the previous name. Here it is not compulsory to write your real name. You can write another name as per your requirement. After that, click on the Save button. Here you can see I changed my name to Oliver Smith. Now, click on the left side corner arrow to go back to the About Me page. Here, I am going to select my gender. Now, you can choose your gender and wait for 2 to 3 seconds before it gets updated. After that, click on the top left corner arrow to go back, and then close this personal info page using the cross icon on the left side corner. Now, check whether your Gmail display name has been changed or not. Click on your profile icon, and here you can see that my display name has been changed to Oliver Smith. This is how you can change your display name. But if you are looking to change your email address, you can't do so because Google does not allow anyone to change email addresses. There is only one way to do this, which is to create a new Gmail account and then transfer all your mail to the new account. If you need a video tutorial on this, please let me know in the comments.